Welcome. Today I'm showing how to check battery health information into a Realme GT Neo 3. First of all, open your Play Store and find in search, write Ampere application. This one in downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. And now tap open. Then yes, I agree, close, and OK. Now swipe on the right, and here in the second column on the top we got our health information. So our health battery is good. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.